This is the type of college classroom that I'm used to. But what if I told you this is what your classroom could look like? Pretty crazy, right? Let me show you how this happened.
Good morning, guys. It's Jennifer. I'm currently sick, so I sound like a man. I'm currently at semester at sea. If you don't know semester at sea, basically, if you ever watched Sweet Life on Deck, it's kind of like that.
Basically, it's a study abroad school on a ship. Yeah.
Semester at Sea is sponsoring this video, so thank you guys so much for this opportunity. I love you guys. I'm gonna take you guys along with me on my day, just show you guys what a day in the life of a semester at sea student would be like. Today we're in Barcelona, Spain, which is so exciting. This is my first time in Europe, so we're gonna be heading off the ship to explore Barcelona, and I'm also gonna show you guys what's on the ship. I can't believe I just woke up to this view today. It's amazing. So yeah, I live in like a cabin and everything. It's like living on a cruise, but you go to school on the cruise. You like sail all around the world to different countries while taking classes. It's like the campus is on the ship. I'm just gonna put on my makeup for the day, so cute. I mean, okay. Bye. And I have finished with my makeup. We're heading off the ship right now because we're in Barcelona and today is a port day, so that means that we can leave the ship and there's no classes. This is the ship! What? Hello guys, I'm like currently dead. We're eating brunch. It's 11:52 and we're in an alley. It's a good time. We just finished lunch and I am revived. We're walking around the Gothic area. The architecture is just so cool. We have arrived at Santa Maria Church.
You made a purchase?
I made a purchase. Hi guys, so we just got back from the outside world. Am I like tan or is this just dark? We're actually going to the pool right now. It's really hot and we're just on the ship now. Let's hit it and quit it. No, don't do that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes! We're on the deck with the pool and there's a smoothie bar. This is the life. Bless up. Yes, we just got our smoothies. We're by the pool now and it's just a good old time and I'm so happy. Semester at sea is amazing. Like, how can you not be happy? You know what? This is what schools lack. Things that just make you happy. Like, school is such a depressing place. And I feel like if you do this, it's like so much happier. It's like you have stuff to look forward to. Like, you get to travel the world, but also like take class and like go to the pool when you're done and like you can study by the pool. It's amazing. Just went for a little swim in the pool. Hello guys, we love a seawater princess. So we're gonna head back to our cabin now. We're gonna go shower. I hope I tanned and did not get skin cancer. Sunset will be really nice today, so I'm gonna show you guys that as well. Oh yeah, there's a movie going on tonight, so we might watch that. Yeah, I guess it's like a little town and there's like a movie theater. And, excuse me, I'm disgusting, but what else is new? Enter into the cabin. It's me! Door to the bathroom, but also a mirror. Bathroom. These are our beds. Oh, fun fact, they actually make your beds every day. So it's kind of like a cruise where they like come in and like clean the bathrooms and like clean your room for you, which is so cool because I'm so messy. So I really need that. Oh my gosh, look at this freaking view. See you later. Hi guys, we just showered. We are fresh and ready. We're moving now. Whoa. Hello! We're currently going to get dinner. We are leaving the port currently and going to Valencia. We're gonna arrive in Valencia tomorrow. I feel like if you go to school here, it's like every day is just so exciting. So this is so cool. We are leaving Barcelona.
Dinner time.
Dinner with a view. I am the view. Just kidding, but not really. Life's great right now. We're inside now. The sunset has kind of gone down. There's a giant grand piano here. I want to play it, but I haven't played in like so long. I'm nervous. I haven't played in so long. I forgot how to play it anyway. Okay, that's all I remember how to do. Hi guys, we checked out a movie that was playing tonight. It was Star Wars. We only watched the end though, and I was so confused. And also, forgot to vlog, but we were having the best game of Taboo ever. It was so funny, and it was so fun. We played for like an hour. It was my first time playing Taboo, but it was so fun. Oh, we were just in that same room with the piano, but it's basically like a board game room or like a hangout room. Alright guys, it is the end of the night. We're going to head to bed now. So it's been a very, very fun day, if you can't tell.
Every day on the ship was a different, amazing adventure, and even though I was only on the voyage for 4 days, as cheesy as it sounds, this experience changed my life. I got to meet so many undergraduate and graduate students from all over the world studying anything from economics to art history, and what I find so cool is that whatever you learn in the classes on the ship, you can directly apply to the world as you sail around to these different countries. I had the opportunity to attend 2 really cool field programs. In Barcelona, we went to a marine animal rescue conservatory where we did a dolphin rescue simulation and learned all about the state of our oceans and marine animals. And spoiler alert, they're not doing that great, and we have a lot of work to do to clean up our waters. In Valencia, we went to a farm where we learned to make traditional paella while also learning about the different ingredients and processes that go into this delicious food. We also had the biggest lunch that I have ever had in my life, and not gonna lie, it's probably one of the best meals I've ever had. On one of these field programs, I actually met this girl who had never been outside of the US and decided semester at sea would be the best option to see the world while also enhancing her education. I got to meet people that I never would have met or even thought would be friends with if not for this experience. And by the end of the 4 days, I knew that I wanted to come back one day to sail the whole voyage because I just had so much fun. And I mean, look at the itinerary of the fall 2018 voyage. Who wouldn't be excited? And they do have 2 study abroad voyages per year, one in the fall and one in the spring, so there's a bunch of opportunities to get on board. So why learn in the same old classroom when there's a whole world out there to see?